Welcome everyone. Today I am here to speak with spokesperson Nikhil Anandji, BJP Bihar. So Nikhil Anandji, I welcome you to our news channel.
Thanks a lot for inviting me to talk to you, and it's a proud moment that this banner Yuva Hit is doing a good job, and you are the team of young people. So all the best and very welcome.
Thank you. Motivational words, sir. Like BJP is in alliance with this JDU, and upcoming election 2020, sir. How you are going to motivate our voters?
See, our NDA alliance, in which JDU, LJP and BJP, all three are partners, and we have only one agenda, that is an agenda of development. And basically we say, to give emphasis to our agenda, we would like to say it's a corruption-free development agenda. And in the process, we have seen very bad days for Bihar. And Bihar nowadays is moving forward on path of development. Earlier, till 2005, all the sectors of Bihar lagged behind. Like agriculture sector, we had a negative growth rate. Almost zero growth rate was registered during those times in urbanization sector.
Sir, here I want to disrupt you. Like Narendra Modi said, Atmanirbhar Bharat, self-dependent India. What is the vision behind that, sir? How you are going to motivate our people here in this Bihar?
See, the only goal is that India must be self-reliant.
Yeah.
We have a vast differences of opinion.
Yeah.
India is a democratic country. Likewise, we have good prospects in all the sectors. Like when we talk of agriculture sector,
Yeah.
when we talk of industry, we have a vast pool of talent everywhere.
Yes.
In all the regions. We want everyone to help India become self-reliant. We should not be we should be only promoting our local things.
Yes.
Like we have in Bihar particularly, we have vast range of crop production.
Yeah.
And in fruits, we see lychee, banana and all. There is a good scope for food processing industry. We have earlier sugarcane industry which was flourishing, and there is a dream that there should be a good prospects in food processing as well as agriculture sector, in other sectors of industry. Like when we give emphasis to other sectors, we may mention the small scale industries,
Yes.
Laghu and Kutir Udyog.
Yeah.
Like we have a different
Like small and microfinance.
microfinance industries.
Yeah.
So we have a good prospects, and we need to give emphasis, and Bihar will surely be self-reliant. But at this juncture, Bihar has especially worked on establishing the pillars, strengthening the root concern, the basic infrastructure basically. And now we see a good prospects for in coming days that industries will be set up, there will be more employment.
Yes.
So these are the visions.
So Nikhil Anandji just now told that India is completely based on agriculture. Sir, this coronavirus pandemic, education has gone down. Everything is under lockdown. So how you are seeing it to another stage? Like there are people, students are going through online medium. Sir, is it easy? Do you find it easy?
Yeah, Corona has been a great challenge for us. But I appreciate the way our Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji has tackled this big epidemic, and particularly Bihar, we have at a starting moment we struggled, but we have come up very well in controlling this whole epidemic. You see that now we have better percentage of recovery than national average. Bihar is registering more than 88% of recovery rate, while the death rate has gone down to 0.2. And we see good prospects, but we have created this challenge. This challenge has helped us look forward for a new opportunity, because this online education system has been created, and this new education policy which Narendra Modi ji has just launched, NEP 2020, we see that virtual education medium, online education medium, these things will be promoted, and Bihar knows, and even this country knows how to move ahead during the phase of challenge. We have had many challenges earlier, but we have come through all the challenges and created a new history. So Bihar and India is going through this churning process after this corona epidemic, and I see that we will come through this challenge and look forward to have a better prospects.
Sir, we are going to celebrate 151st Gandhi Jayanti. So Patna got more polluted than before, and because of this lockdown, some of areas also got cleared, means it's clean. Sir, even Patna is getting so many of funds for cleanliness and all. Sir, how you are looking for this to implement to Patna?
See, when Narendra Modi ji came to power in 2014, he started a cleanliness drive. You know, Swachhta Abhiyan.
One step toward cleanliness.
Yeah, Swachhta Abhiyan.
Yeah.
When he started this move, everyone started laughing, the opposition and all. They even mocked at our Prime Minister, that the Prime Minister is talking of this cleanliness thing, Swachhta ki baat kar rahe hain. He don't have any agenda. Then our Prime Minister ji talked of Shauchalaya and Swachhta from Red Fort while hosting flag. Then also it came as a surprise to everyone that भारत के प्रधानमंत्री लाल किले से स्वच्छता और शौचालय की बात कर रहे हैं. लेकिन आज आप देखें तो we have moved forward, and nowadays after corona, cleanliness has become the part of our life. This establishing toilets have become a movement, and we are moving ahead. What I see for Patna is that first time Patna has come within the cities, number of cities which has been calculated and awarded for cleanliness.
Yeah.
Earlier Patna was not even in that list. So we see that we need to apply and professionally hire some technologically advanced equipments to recycle the whole,
Like vacuum cleaner.
vacuum cleaner and other things. And for last 2-3 years, the state government and the municipal corporation together and the urban ministry of Bihar, they are working together to improve the civic facilities, civic amenities, and the awareness channel has been created, and slowly I see a good prospects for Patna, but the future generation has lot to do. Everything we cannot just throw on the heads of municipal corporation. We as a citizen, we need to move forward with the responsibilities we need to undertake. I see good prospects, things are being initiated. The urban development
Sir, once more I want
ministry
to
is, and one thing I would like to add, that Patna has been included in the list of smart city.
Yeah.
Smart city is not a one-day wonder. Smart city is a planning. Things have been conceptualized, and in the process, the smart city initiatives are taking place. And you will see that Patna will be one of the best cities in India.
Sir, India is becoming digital day by day. India is becoming digital day by day. Sir, clean country, green country. What do you think about the social elements roaming around like corruption? What will you say about this, sir? How this digital India is going to eliminate this corruption?
Yeah, you have asked a very good question. This digitization has been the key to our governance. When Narendra Modi ji came to power, he gave extra emphasis to digital transaction, DBT. And you see most of the social sector benefits are directly being given to the beneficiaries in their account.
There is no third party.
Yeah, of course. But, and this has to a great extent helped us in curbing the corruption, the lower level corruption. Yeah, of course I agree that in Indira Awas Yojana, earlier in Manrega, it was full of corruption. But now you see that all the beneficiaries of Indira Awas and Manrega, they are even paid directly into their accounts. Jan Dhan account, the Ujjwala Yojana beneficiary, the old age pension,